Hi students, this is the beginning of network simulation coded by NE321. This lecture is the introduction lecture for the course policy and code. We all know that this course is going to be an online course, so things will be different. For this course, we have online attendance. We will have assignments every other week. We will make online midterms, and we will have weekly quizzes. After each lecture, you have to answer a set of questions that's related for the particular weekly lectures. In this case, I can assure that you viewed the video and you read the lecture notes very well. We will have some activities, coding activities. We may choose C++ or C coding or Java. We will mainly depend on the lecture notes and videos. Sometimes I will tell you that whenever you will go and refer to the textbooks. We all know that integrity and honesty is very important. So if you are willing to pass this course, you have to assure to not help other students in their homeworks and their exam and so on. As a course policy, we have 2 hours in the theoretical part, 1 hour as a tutorial. The theoretical part is on Sunday and the tutorial is on Monday. We also have 3 hours practical, which we're gonna be taught by Miss Noor Natak. And currently the department hasn't put any schedule for the labs, and it will come soon, actually, probably. The total number of units for this course is 3 units. Of course, lab sheets will be provided weekly basis on the Moodle, so you have to check for that. Mainly, we'll focus on the first reference, which is network modeling and simulation, practical perspective. Sorry. The second reference, I will give you the homeworks and some programming assignments from the second reference. Both references are and their URLs are posted on Moodle. If you have a problem accessing the URL to download these boxes, just let me know, so I can update the required URL for you. In this course, we are going to learn many things. Network simulation is different than other courses. It's not mathematics based. It's useful for students who are going to attend a master or PhD degree after their graduation. Some simulation tools you can find in some businesses like mobile communication businesses and others, if you are going to work on these sectors. These topics are not limited to their weeks because the course is online, so we will have we can jump from one topic to another topic based on its importance. For the first week, introduction to course layout, basic concepts, network model definition, and for the next week we will have performance evaluation techniques, development of system simulation, and we will discuss discrete event simulation, schedule, and simulation. Hopefully the first mid exam will cover these titles. The second mid exam will cover multi-color simulation, multi-color algorithm and steps of simulation, network modeling, network simulation elements, Poisson source of packets, round-robin simulation, and finally we may visit input-output modeling and output statistics. The course is very deep and have many phases, and it's flexible. So we some of the topics we may change in the future, depending on students' stimulation and understanding of the course. Thank you.